Hello everyone, I'm Paul and this is problem 1848. Minimum distance to the target element. This is an easy one that's relatively simple, so let's start. We are given an integer array nums and two integers, target and start. And here it says that we need to find an index such that the corresponding number for that index is equal to the target and the absolute difference of that index and start is minimized. But we don't have to return this. We have to return the absolute difference between that index and start. So this might be a bit confusing. Let's see this example. This is the array nums, the target is 5, start is 3, and up here we have the indices of this array. The target is 5, so we find this target at indices 0 and 4. And we are looking for the closest index to start. Here start is 3. So we take the absolute difference of 0 and 3, which is 3. Then we take the absolute difference of 3 and 4, which is 1. And the minimum between these two numbers is equal to 1. So the result here is 1. The solution is quite straightforward. We can say that the result is initially positive infinity. Why? Well, because we are looking for the minimum possible number, so it's reasonable to start from a very large number. And now we can iterate every number in nums from left to right. So the I pointer is here at index 0, and we are checking if this is equal to the target. 5 is the target, so now we update the result with the minimum between what we already have here and the absolute difference between the current index and start. The distance here is 3, which is smaller than infinity, so the new result is 3. Next we are here and this is not the target, so we continue. 3 is not the target neither, and 4 is not the target neither. Finally we are here and 5 is the target, so we update the result with the minimum between what we have here and the distance to start. 4 minus 3 is 1, which is smaller than 3, so the result is 1. Now if we update the I pointer, we are out of bounds, so we can return 1. Time complexity for this approach is big O of n because we have to iterate every index in this array, and space complexity is big O of 1. So now let's see how to code this up. First we can say that n is the length of nums and the result is positive infinity. And now for I in range n, every time we check if nums I is equal to the target that we are given. Because if this is the case, we need to update the result with the minimum between what we have in the result and the absolute difference of the current index and start. And finally, we can return the result. So let's submit this and see if it works. As you can see, this works and it's very efficient. So if you found this useful, please drop a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.